The cost to purchase one Bitcoin token can go up to $22,000 in the fourth quarter. That is possible if a textbook technical indicator plays out as it typically does. Dubbed as Rising Wedge, the pattern holds the history of reversing uptrends 63% of all times. It gets formed when an asset trades upward inside a structure bordered by two rising converging trendlines. Bitcoin is trading inside a similar one. In the past 2 weeks, the flagship cryptocurrency formed a sequence of higher highs and higher lows, eking out a structure that resembles a rising wedge. Halfway through the pattern, it now expects to continue higher unless it hits or closes in towards its apex. And once it does, it expects to undergo a reversal. The alphabets in the chart above show BTC USD's rebounds and pullbacks off the rising wedge trendlines. The pair is now waiting to retrace upwards from D to E, followed by a pullback from E to F. BTC USD may attempt a breakdown move below F, but if that does not happen, then the pair would rebound again towards E sharp. The two trendlines converge near E sharp, the apex point, which is at $21,594. That said, the Bitcoin price could trade to as high as the said level, with a psychological inclination to test $22,000. The maximum gap between the upper and the lower wedge trendline is $3,300. Technically, the breakout reversal after Bitcoin reaches the apex could lead its price lower by at least $3,300. That puts Bitcoin's downside target near $18,357. Meanwhile, if BTC USD manages to break lower ahead of hitting the apex, it automatically shifts the wedge target lower below $18,357. For instance, the pair could close below the wedge's lower trendline today when trading at $19,142 and crash towards $15,842, $19,142 to $3,300. Fundamentally, the probability of Bitcoin testing $22,000 is higher because of its growing adoption among mainstream institutions. They sit atop a big pile of cash reserves and may end up buying Bitcoin to safeguard themselves against a falling US dollar. That is the same strategy companies like MicroStrategy and Square have undertaken. Billionaire investors Paul Tudor Jones and Stan Druckenmiller have also bought Bitcoin as a hedge.